Music streaming services make it a little difficult to move your favorite songs when you decide to change your preferred service. If you're moving from Apple Music to Spotify. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your Apple Music playlists to Spotify. So without time wasting, let's jump into the video. As much as we'd love to show you a native way to migrate your Apple Music playlists to Spotify, it's just not possible. That's why we're going to enlist a third-party tool to get the job done. That tool is called Tune My Music, which is a simple website allowing you to move your songs from one streaming service to another. They offer paid plans, but its free tier allows you to move up to 1,000 songs at a time from Apple Music to Spotify. If you have more than 1,000 songs to move, you can always repeat the process to port your entire library. To get started with porting your playlists, open Tune My Music in any browser. The website link is in description and select Let's Start on the home page. Tune My Music will now ask you to select the source service. Since we are moving from Apple Music, that's the one we'll select. So, go right ahead and hit Apple Music. After selecting Apple Music as the source service, you'll see a pop-up asking you to connect your Apple Music account with Tune My Music. Enter your Apple Music credentials, which is essentially your Apple ID email address and password, and sign in. On the next page, Apple will ask you to confirm if you want to allow Tune My Music to access your Apple Music library. Click Allow. Once Tune My Music has access to your Apple Music library, it'll show you all the playlists in your account. You can scroll down to the playlist section and uncheck the playlists you don't want to transfer. If you select all and try to transfer your massive music library in one go, be aware that it takes a long time to move everything from Apple Music to Spotify. When you're done selecting the playlists to transfer, click Next, select Destination. On the next page, select Spotify from the list of music streaming services, since that's where we're sending our Apple Music playlists. You'll see another pop-up asking you to sign into your Spotify account. Once you've logged in, you can read what Tune My Music will be allowed to access, scroll down, and click the Agree button to proceed. This will take you back to Tune My Music, where you can check how many songs are being moved from Apple Music to Spotify. When you're done, click Start Moving My Music. Now you can sit back, relax, and fire up your favorite playlist while you wait for Tune My Music to complete the transfer. When it's done, your Apple Music playlists will show up on Spotify. Tune My Music will mark some missing songs in red during the transfer. It's worth pointing out that sometimes these songs may have a slightly different name on Spotify, so you may be able to locate them after all. As we mentioned before, you can repeat this process on Tune My Music multiple times until you've brought all your music to Spotify. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.